because the science is real and it is extraordinary. Every cancer is different. Even two patients with the same type of cancer, say melanoma, have tumors with different genetic mutations. Those mutations produce proteins that appear on the surface of cancer cells. These proteins are called neoantigens. They are, in effect, a fingerprint unique to each patient's cancer. An mRNA vaccine can be designed to target those neoantigens. The vaccine delivers mRNA instructions to the patient's cells, instructing them to produce copies of those neoantigen proteins. The immune system sees those proteins, recognizes them as foreign, mounts an immune response, and then, crucially, remembers them. When the immune system then encounters the actual cancer cells displaying the same neoantigens, it attacks. The idea is to turn the body's own defenses into a targeted weapon against a tumor that has been specifically mapped to that patient's biology. This is not theoretical. Moderna and Merck are in phase 3 clinical trials with an mRNA cancer vaccine called mRNA 4157, targeting melanoma and non-small cell lung cancer. Phase 2 data published in peer-reviewed journals showed that the vaccine, used in combination with an existing immunotherapy drug, reduced the risk of cancer recurrence or death by 44% compared to immunotherapy alone. BioNTech, the German company behind the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID vaccine, has its own personalized mRNA cancer vaccine in trials. In patients with pancreatic cancer, one of the hardest cancers to treat, their vaccine generated immune responses that were still detectable nearly 4 years after treatment. What is true is this: the science of personalized mRNA cancer vaccines is real. It is advancing rapidly, and it is genuinely promising in ways that would have seemed like science fiction a decade ago. Across multiple countries and multiple research programs, the evidence is building that this approach can work.